Hey, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your English teacher, Laura. So as I promised, we promised that we will talk about some cooking verbs, okay? This is the third part of this video and this is the last part. In this video lesson, guys, we are going to learn some cooking verbs, okay? So some cooking verbs are verbs that you use when you are cooking or when you are in the kitchen. Okay, so let's learn them together. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Mix. I want you to repeat. Mix. Mix means mélanger. Okay, what can I say mélanger in English? I say mix. For example, I say okay, for example, I say I am mixing the ingredients. Okay, for example, if you are cooking, okay, you have to mix the ingredients. Okay, you have to mix the ingredients. Ou doit mélanger ingrédients. Ouais, I am mixing the ingredients. Je mélange les ingrédients. Okay, I am mixing the ingredients. Ma mélanger ingrédients. Okay? I am mixing the ingredients. Ma mélanger ingrédients. Okay, so we have the verb to mix. To mix, veut dire mélange. Okay, so when you are mixing something, okay, you are doing something, you put them together, you can use the verb mix. Mix means mélange. All right, let's get started with the second one. Taste. I want you to repeat. Taste. Taste means goûter. Okay, how can I say goûter? I say taste. For example, okay, this is a very long sentence, guys. I say taste the food to see if you like it. I want you to repeat. Taste the food to see if you like it. Goûter manger pour voir si vous aimez. Comment on dit ça en anglais? Taste the food to see if you like it. Okay? For example, I can use another example. Okay? Bon goûter. How can I say bon goûter? I say let me taste. How can I say bon goûter? Let me taste or let me have a taste. Okay? So bon goûter, let me have a taste. Bon goût, good taste. Okay? The food has good taste. Manger a gagné, bon goût. Okay? If you put some good ingredients, it might be tasty. Okay? We have this word, tasty. Okay? Tasty means gen bon goût. Yon bagay ki gen bon goût. For example, manger a gen bon goût. The food is tasty. Manger a gen bon goût. The food is tasty or the food has a good taste. Manger a pa gen bon goût. Manger a gen mauvais goût. The food has a bad taste. Alright? Let's continue with the next verb, guys. Okay? So the next verb is stare. I want you to repeat. Stare. Stare means agiter, okay? Agiter, ça que nous relè brasser en créole, okay? For example, if you are cooking, you can stir the food. Capable brasser manger. Okay, let's take this example, guys. Okay, so I say, I am stirring the sauce with a ladle. I am stirring the sauce with a ladle means ma brase sauce la avec yon louche. Comment on dit louche en anglais? I say ladle. Ladle means louche. Okay, so in the next video, guys, we are going to learn the kitchen utensils. Don't worry, okay? I say I'm stirring the sauce with a ladle. Ma brase sauce la avec yon louche. Okay? So the next verb that we're gonna learn today is spread. I want you to repeat. Spread. Spread means étaler. En créole, bérer. Okay? Ou bien tartiner. For example, how can I say that in English? Moi aime bérer pain. Moi reme bere pain. I like to spread butter on bread. Moi reme bere pain. Moi reme pase beurre sou pain. I like to spread butter on bread. Okay? So the word bread means pain. To spread, étaler, tartiner, beurre. Okay? Or it might be, I like to spread peanut butter on bread. Okay? Peanut butter means mamba. Ça nous est beurre d'arachide, we say. Okay? I want you to repeat. Peanut butter. Peanut butter qui c'est mamba. Okay? We have the word peanut. Peanut qui c'est a pistache and butter, beurre d'arachide. C'est ça nous le créole, mamba. I can use this example. I like to spread peanut butter on bread. Okay, moi aimé passer mamba sous pain. Moi aimé mettez mamba dans pain. I like to spread peanut butter on bread. Let's go with the next one. Crack. I want you to repeat. Crack. Crack means fissurer. Okay, briser. Okay. For example, I say m'a cassé z'yo. Okay, m'a cassé z'yo. I say I am cracking the eggs. M'a cassé z'yo. Okay, I am cracking the eggs. Or I can simply say I am cracking eggs. Okay, I am cracking eggs or I am cracking the eggs. M'a cassé z'yo. Je casse les œufs. Okay? And the next verb that we're gonna learn today is whip. After you crack the eggs, you whip the eggs. Okay? To whip means fouetter. Ça nous les bat. I'm a bat œufs. I say I am whipping. Okay? I am whipping eggs. Ma bat œufs. Okay? For example, if you are going to fry eggs, so first of all, you crack the eggs and then you whip the eggs. Okay? You crack it and you whip it. Ça veut dire vous cassez les œufs d'abord et puis après ça vous battez. Comment on va dire bat? I say whip. Okay? So we have the word whip. Whip means fouet. Fouet. A whip, c'est un fouet. Okay? Fouetter. But I say whip. Okay? Alright. And the next verb that we're gonna learn today is knead. I want you to repeat. Knead. Knead means pétrir. Okay? Quand on dit pétrir, I say knead. For example, moi pétrir farine. Ça veut dire si on va faire pain. Okay? Ou bien on va faire pâté. If you're gonna do some patties or you're gonna bake bread, so you can knead. Okay? Knead means pétri. Okay? Pat la. Pétri pat la. I say. Okay? Moi pétri pat la. I say. I am kneading the dough. Ma pétri pat la. Okay? So if I'm gonna do some patties, first of all, what I have to do, I have to knead the dough. Knead. I am kneading the dough means ma pétri pat la. Okay? Ma pétri pat la. I say. I am kneading the dough. Okay? And the next verb that we're gonna learn is measure. Measure. Okay? How can I say mesurer? I say measure. Okay? Mesurer avant faire manger. Mesurer du riz. I say. Okay? Ma mesurer du riz. I am measuring the rice. Okay? I am measuring the rice. Ma mesurer du riz. Ma mesurer maïs. I am measuring the corn or I am measuring corn. We can take the article off. It depends. Okay? I say I'm measuring rice. Ma mesurer du riz. I am measuring corn. Ma mesurer maïs. Okay? Etc. So you can use the word measure. The verb measure. Measure means measure. And the next verb that we're going to learn today is sip. I want you to repeat. Sip. Sip means siroter. Okay? Siroter en français. Sip. For example, m'a siroter un petit thé là. Okay? I am sipping tea. I am sipping tea. I am sipping tea vle di map siwote yon ti tea. Or I am sipping coffee. Map siwote yon ti coffee. Alright. And the next verb that we're gonna learn is shelling. Or we say shell and shelling. Almost the same thing. Shell means enlever la coquille. Ça nous relève retirer coquille là. Okay? Shell. For example, le dit caler tout. For example, I say I am shelling peas. Map caler pois. Comment on dit map caler pois en anglais? En anglais, I say, okay, map caler pois. I am shelling peas. Okay? Shelling, c'est caler. Retirer coquille. I am shelling peas. Shell vle di coquille. Shelling, c'est enlever la coquille. I am shelling peas, map caler pois. And we have the next verb, season. But season means saison. But when you're using it in the kitchen, it means assaisonner. Ça nous est en créole, saisonner. Okay? Map saisonner viande. How can I say that in English? Saisonner viande. I am seasoning meat. I am seasoning meat vle di map saisonner viande. Ou bien, en français, j'épice la viande. Or, map assaisonner viande. Map saisonner viande. Okay? I am seasoning meat. Alright? Yeah, the word do seasoning, you say, I am seasoning. Okay? But normally, generally, we season meat. We are seasoning meat generally. Okay? Alright. And the last verb that we're going to learn today is mash. I want you to repeat. Mash. Mash means écraser. Okay? Écraser. For example, if you are doing tom-tom, this is a food that Asian likes to eat. Tom-tom, we do it with breadfruit. But first of all, what you have to do, you have to mash the breadfruit to do the tom-tom. Okay? So, if you have tom-tom, so we do écraser l'âme. Okay? How can I say that? Map craser l'âme. I am. Let's go. Map craser l'âme véritable. I say I am mashing the breadfruit. So you have to mash the breadfruit if you want to do some tom-tom. Alright? And you might mash potatoes. Or I am mashing potatoes. Okay? We can use this word potatoes. Okay? Potatoes. You can mash potatoes. Okay? I am mashing potatoes or I am mashing breadfruit. Alright guys, thank you so much for your attention. We really like it. So don't forget, the best way ever to encourage what we are doing, it's when you like, you subscribe, you share it to other interested people. And do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay? Na pour une prochaine vidéo, c'était Professeur Anglais ou Laurent. Pas oublier abonner, partager. Goodbye.